What a beautiful summer day!
The sun is shining.
Yeah.
I'm feeling so happy. Ow! What is this?
What am I kicking?
Is that the treasure box?
It's been so long. I can't believe it's finally back.
I'm gonna go get it.
Malia, what do you think is gonna be in the treasure box?
Toys.
Yeah, there's always toys in the treasure box. But once there was bangles. Bangles are jewelry. But at least I hope there's gonna be toys.
Okay, I'm taking it out.
Yay!
Yes! Bring out the toys.
Oh my goodness! Wow! Malia, I think this is for you!
Yes! Okay, go sit back down, silly one.
What is that?
No.
It's a water doll?
Yeah.
Are you gonna swim in the pool with it? Look, you can put it in water. See, Malia? Are you gonna have a bubble bath with it? Are you so excited?
Yes.
That's a baby alive with blonde hair and blue eyes. Wow, these are amazing! Here you go. You can have one, and I'll take one. These must be for us. Look, it says surprises, 7 surprises. So it looks like it's first like this silver sparkly color, and then in ice cold water because this is like an ice cube. It color changes into maybe a swimsuit. And then I guess also the face color changes, or like the mouth and the nose in ice cold water too. And it looks like you can get earrings or accessories. Shoes like these look like high heel sandals. An outfit like a skirt. And it looks like this is a hair thing because this thing goes over here. Yeah, it looks really cool. Which doll are you hoping to get? I don't know. There's this pink one. There's the purple one. And this purple one kind of has like a mix of purple, black, and blue. She has freckles. And then there is this doll, which has pink and like this magenta-ish hair, blonde hair, and then blue hair with magenta and some pink. Are you excited, Malia?
Yeah.
Do you want to open yours first? Do you need help? Let's pull this up.
Oh, baby! It's inside the baby!
Wow, you're so excited, Malia.
See, it's still inside. Get the Wow!
Okay, we open that. Now, the one on the neck. I don't want to hurt the... Oh, I got the towel out.
I got the so-so.
That's the... Oh! Okay, let me get that. The pacifier. Say pacifier.
Pacifier.
Ow, that hurts. Okay. Now we put this in her mouth. Isn't she just adorable? And here's her little blanket or towel after she's done swimming in the pool. Do you love her, Malia?
Yes. I'm swimming the pool.
Is it her nap time?
Yeah.
Malia, what's the dolly's name?
She's Minnie.
But your name is Malia. How about her name is Lily?
Yeah.
What's her name?
She's Lily.
She's Lily?
Yeah.
I love her pretty blue eyes.
Oh,
Look, it's a little ducky on her pacifier. I think that means she's ready for bath time. I love her beautiful teal and pink bathing suit, Malia.
Now she's pulled out
And then she's going to get ready to swim in the pool. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Princess Lily.
Nice to meet you, Princess Melly. I'm Princess Lily.
Hi.
Hi, how old are you?
I'm so old.
You're 2 years old? I'm 2 years old too. Yay, I love you. Can you give me a big hug?
Yeah.
Now, can I have my pacifier? I think I'm a little tired. Okay, let me help you put it in. Is she ready to go to sleep? It's morning?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take this one. I think it's our turn to open our toys. Here's a zipper over here. I'm gonna pull it down. Whoops. I failed with the zipper. I really like it when I completely...
It's a blind bag.
I see all... You're right, Louie. I see all the blind bags.
Let me see it.
Okay, let me see if this is like the cap thing. Oh, here, twisted. Okay, here's like a cap. I think this one is the doll. Amazing! Okay, let's not open that yet. Yeah, let's take out these instructions. Look at all the dolls you can collect. So it looks like you can get them in different things. Like these look like tights and nice colors. I really like her skirt. I like how it's silver and like not like this fluffy type. So let's look at the instructions. So it looks like it comes with this thing that you can put here. So you can actually make a choice to have short hair or put this thing to make long hair. And I think this is the long hair I was talking about. This is like the skirt, the earrings, the shoes or flip-flops or whatever kind of shoes they are. And looks like you put them in water to change.
You twirl them around.
Yeah. Like, let's just say there's nothing. Let's just say this doll is open. You have to twirl it. Okay, let's see. Let's look at all these others. This must be the clothes and like
or the
earrings
hair
and stuff. Come out. Okay, since you have everything out, should I open mine? Sure. Whoa, that's...
Wow.
Okay, let's twist it open.
Let me see it. Find the box. Let me see.
So this is the doll. Now I'm gonna take the checklist and the instructions out. And we don't have to go over this because we did that already with Briella. The next thing, I think this is the hair. And then let's get these blind bags out. So, are you ready, Briella?
Yeah.
So let me open this up and Kayla can pour the water for me.
Need to pour the water.
Wow, I love this metallic. She's so beautiful. Wait, I'm going to slowly put it on because I don't want to break it. Okay, put the water in, please. Tell me when it gets to the line. Oh, okay, this line. It needs to get to this point. Okay, and a little bit more. You can stop. You got the blonde hair Barbie doll. Yeah, I think it's
The one with the rainbow hair.
Look how pretty this looks, you guys. It's so swirly and beautiful. Wow, she's so beautiful. I'm gonna open my blind bags now. Oh, here's, I think, rainbow hair. I can't really see it well. It's so nice. I'm gonna put it on the doll. It's so pretty. Her hair is so long. I wonder what the next surprise is. I'm gonna open this one. It's such a beautiful skirt. It matches her rainbow hair. Yeah.
This is yours. This is mine.
Be really careful. I don't want to ruin her skirt.
Mine.
I'm a pop star.
Okay.
I think these are the earrings. These are the earrings. They're so beautiful. Here are the holes. 1, 2, and 2. Now I think this is the one. Yeah, we haven't opened this one yet. Whoa! I love these shoes. They're like a really light green, so it looks like yellow. Those are beautiful. Thanks, Kayla. Okay. Wow, I really like her. I don't think she has a name in. Yeah, they don't have names here. So I'm gonna call her Rainbow Girl. As a superhero, she can make rainbow. Now I'm gonna unbox a friend for Miss Rainbow.
It's a rainbow.
Okay, let's open this drawing bag. Wow, she's just as pretty as Miss Rainbow. I wonder who it's gonna be. I mean, I can't predict. Okay, let's pour some water.
I can see. I can see.
Done. Now I'm gonna swirl her around. Oh wow, it's so slippery. Wow, look how pretty it is.
Well,
It's her twin sister. I have a really good idea. Why don't I be called Rainbow Woman and you
my
be called
name is
Rainbow Girl?
Lily.
Hey Lily, I'm a superhero.
Oh, hi, superhero. And the letter Sibo. His voice is like down.
Yay, she's all dried off. Now let's get her accessories. That's
She's
amazing.
a good item. She.
Wow. Her hair is actually a little bit different because her hair is wavy and her hair is straight. Yeah, my hair is more of a straight. I have straight hair.
She's shake and see.
I wonder what this is. It's her beautiful skirt. Just like mine, sister. It's pretty and metallic. Look at these pretty purple earrings. And they have glitter on it too. So nice.
Hi, Lily, superhero.
Hi.
Hi, you're the superhero.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
La la la.
Are you a princess?
Yeah.
Let me put on her nice yellow shoes. Well, you're a princess. We're superheroes. See, I can fly. I have the power to fly. Good for you. You're a superhero, but I'm a princess.
She's a superhero.
I have a good idea. Why don't I try to see I have the power to make bubbles appear? I do have the power. Me too.
Bubbles.
Yay! La 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 la.
Bubbles. Honey, bubbles, buddy. Everyone.
That's enough bubbles for now. Please remember to like and subscribe so you never miss one of our adventures. And if you like our videos, don't forget to share our video with a friend so your friend or family member can be part of our videos and adventures. See you guys